At least 2 Afghan officials were killed in a shooting during a visit of the top American general in Afghanistan. The Taliban claimed responsibility. It also said the targets included the American who survived. In Pakistan, the military launches a search for at least 10 Iranian guards who were kidnapped along the border. And the period for Britain to separate from the European Union may be extended for another year. This would let Britain keep EU rules for now and avoid border problems with Ireland.